In this video, I'm going to show you a really simple 1 minute scalping strategy that consistently beats the market. This strategy is so easy that anyone can do it, and it has shown some crazy results on the 1 minute time frame. So whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, you're going to want to watch this video till the end. Again, nothing in this video is financial advice. It's all for informational purposes only. This is what your chart's going to look like. I'm going to X out of everything, show you guys how to set it all up. So we're going to add 3 moving averages to this, okay? The exponential moving averages, the EMAs, we're going to add it 3 times with 3 different settings. All right, and then let's make those changes, and then we'll add the final indicator. So the first moving average is going to be a 20 length. And on this, I'm going to make this white. Then the second moving average, I'm going to settings. We'll make the second one yellow. And the second one is going to be a 50 period moving average. And then the last one, the third one, we'll keep it, yeah, it's purple. We'll keep it purple. And that's going to be a 100 period moving average. Okay. And then the last indicator that we're going to add is called Williams fractals right here, this one. Okay. Now your chart's set up. So what exactly is the strategy? So super simple. So we've got 3 moving averages, right? And you want to make sure that the 20 is above the 50 and the 50 is above the 100. We want to use this only in trending markets. All right, when things are choppy, reversing directions, all of that stuff, we want to stay out. Again, this is on the 1 minute chart, regular candles. So the strategy is when the price action is above all 3 of these, you want there to be a little pullback and for the price to come in either below the 20 or the 50. Okay, so when the price action hits below the 20, right, the price entered the 20 and then bounced back. On the second candle, you're going to get in because as you're watching the price action live, the Williams fractal, the arrow, it'll come up on the second candle after it comes in. So on this candle, it'll print this signal. Make sense? So you're going to be getting in on this as soon as this one pops off here. You're going to be getting in on here. Press the wrong button. All right. So long position right here. And then when the price action is right below, right, when the Williams fractal hits it, when the price action is below the 20 moving average, you want to make your stop loss at the 50. And we're going to go for a 1 to 1.5 risk to reward. Okay. So it's going to be quick profits on a 1 minute scalp, right? Sometimes it might take a little bit longer, but you know, you're going to be in and out of trades super quick because it is the 1 minute time frame and it is a scalping strategy. So there's one example. So the price action keeps going. It hits the 20 right here. So if you wanted to take this trade, you'd get in over here because the Williams fractal would print right here when this candle starts. Stop loss at the 50, 1 to 1.5. This one would take a few minutes, but there you go, right? And then again, let me delete this so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. Again, price action goes up, bounces back in, comes in under the 20. Get in right here. Stop loss at the 50, 1 to 1.5. Right? So you guys see what I mean, right? You wanted to be doing this in trending markets and you wait for, so if there was price that came in below, right, and a Williams fractal hit, you would then make the 100 your stop loss. So wherever the target is, you're going to the next line for the stop loss, okay? And when things are kind of bouncing around, when these are crossing each other, you're going to stay out of those trades. Now, next I'm going to show you guys how to use a strategy for short trades and for shorting the market to make a profit. But before we get into that, please just take a moment and hit that like button and type boom in the comments below. Really helps out the channel. So thank you so much for doing that. Now let's take a look at a short trade. All right, so here's some examples of some short trades with this. All right, so you see how the 20 is below the 50 is below the 100. So you're seeing a trend, you're seeing things move down. Now over here, for instance, where the Williams fractal gets hit, shows you a signal, it's going to be on this candle where this is going to print. But the price action kind of even went through the 50, right? So at this point, when you get into this trade at this candle, you're going to make your stop loss the 100 EMA, all right? So for instance, here, this is where you'd get in. This is where the stop loss would be. Do a 1 to 1.5. And it would take you down here for a profit, right? Again, then price action comes in, it goes back up above the 20 EMA. You get a Williams fractal signal, which is going to pop up on this line because it always prints at 2 bars before when you're going to be getting in, okay? But when you see it live, you'll notice what I mean. So make sure you guys do test this out yourselves. So we're going to put the stop loss at the 50 on here. This one dropped super quick. So within the same 1 minute window, you would have hit that take profit on this one. Price action's going. Here, it goes back into the 20, above the 20 range. This is where you'd get in the second candle. Stop loss right here at the 50. All right, 1 to 1.5. Sort of taken a little bit of time, but it hits right there. Then you're seeing the price action go again. Here we go. Now this pullback went above even the 50. So pop quiz, where's your stop loss going to be? It's going to be at the 100 mark. Again, second bar after the target, there's your 100. That's sort of taking a little bit of time, but still hit take profit right there. So you guys see how powerful a strategy like this can be in a trending market for super quick scalps, right? And again, avoid ranging markets, avoid, a lot of consolidation and stuff. And you'll notice what those are when the curve on the 100 EMA is very flat, right? Like just use that as one of, that's what I do. Like I use that as one of the main targets. Is you got to look at the slope. How is the slope on the 100? So yeah, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so you don't miss out on any more winning trading strategies that will help you become a more profitable trader. These indicators in this video that I showed you are completely free to use in TradingView. But if you are looking for an amazing premium indicator, I personally use Lux Algo Premium for my trading, and I highly recommend it to anyone who wants more success in the markets. Over 35,000 traders use Lux Algo. I've got a link to it in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And also, hey, on here, I use this on the JPY Forex pair and currency trading. But this also works with crypto, options, stocks, anything with price action. The strategy is pretty effective, but make sure you do back test it yourself and test it out paper trading before you guys actually dive in. All right. And if you want to see what kind of trades I'm actually making in my personal account, like this trade I recently posted for an amazing 63% return, check out my free Telegram channel and join my all access Patreon. Links to those are in the description below as well. Now check out this next video where I show you another awesome scalping trading strategy. I'll see you on the next one.